Guys, welcome to another video. In this video I want to talk about this question has been asked by a lot of people to me, even sometimes I create funnels for clients, so they come up with and see I want this color, that color. And today I want to cover why sales funnel is not your business, and what is the role of sales funnel in your business. So I'm going to cover few of the tips in this video, so please make sure you stay till the end. And also, if you're brand new to my channel, my name is Sachin and I'll be creating content around how to grow your online business with affiliate marketing, and also I'll be talking more about sales funnel, email marketing, and also technical stuff. Like if you would like to for me to make a video about how to set up sales funnel and everything, I would love to do them. So please let me know in the comment section. And also, if you want to learn more about these things, please hit that subscribe button. And also, if you have a business or you want to start a business, online business, if you need one-on-one mentorship, or if you need any type of help to your business, be sure to just schedule a free strategy call. First link in the description, and let's get started. So I have a lot of clients, some of them especially I have heard they think sales funnel as a business. And one of the most common question that arose because Russell Brunson, the founder of Clickfunnels, has made marketing so much, he's a great salesperson, and he has created such a aroma around this sales funnel thing. He convinced a lot of people you need a sales funnel in order to have a business. So with this, there is two different things here. Clickfunnels or sales funnel is just a mechanism for that sales to happen. What many people misunderstood with this concept is I asked a lot of questions, how do I make money with Clickfunnels? And when we ask about what is your business, they don't really have a business. They think Clickfunnels itself is a business. No, Clickfunnels is a software. I'm just even in sales funnel language, sales funnel is just a mechanism, or Clickfunnels or Groovefunnels, or there are other funnel building softwares. Those are just softwares that can actually help you build one. So you got to understand this very, very clearly. So rather than focusing on the color or the button and how that opt-in page should look like, there could be a crappy funnel, but still if your offer is very, very good, you're going to make those sales happen. So I just want to clear this myth, sales funnel is not a business. Sales funnel is a mechanism. Business is what you got to have a valuable product in the market in order to sell, be it your own or as an affiliate, and you got to pick up the traffic strategy that can actually help you. And I have seen a lot of people they think too much about the design part initially, even when before they're launching. Definitely it's a good important step you got to consider, but you don't want to be wasting your whole lot of time in design, because you got to pick up one color and you want to design according to that. And once you have done it totally depends on your offer, what kind of videos you're creating, what kind of value that is providing to your customers, and what kind of traffic that you're bringing in for that funnel. So unless and until you drive traffic to your page and you see you don't really understand what color or what thing, you got to think about these things once you start sending the traffic. And once you see the traffic, you go to see what is working and what is not working, and based on that you got to make that decision. I have seen a lot of people they're just stuck with the design part of their funnel, and they are not really bothered about their business and how they are going to bring in traffic. So you got to be very, very clear. I have spoken about this a lot in my previous videos. You got to be more focused on what you're selling and how you're selling. I mean, how is in this case I am considering sales funnel, and whom you are selling, that is your traffic part. You got to be very crystal clear about these parts, and then in order to integrate these things, you got to bring in sales funnel. And even if you're talking to someone on a phone call or a messenger, even that's a sales funnel, right? Sales funnel is just automating things for you, and it's just the autoresponder, I feel. So some people quit their business because they can't afford Clickfunnels or any other software building sales funnel building softwares. That should not be really your case. You can make a lot of money without these tools as well, and the world existed before these tools, so these have come to just help you in order to set up your business. So just make things clear, sales funnel is not a business, or Clickfunnels, how do I make money with Clickfunnels? Maybe you can frame that question in a different, how do you make Clickfunnels make money with Clickfunnels affiliate program? But Clickfunnels, it's just a software. So I heard this question a lot. I just wanted to address it through this medium. So I hope you got value from this video, guys, and if you are enjoying my content, please hit that subscribe button. And also, Like if you need any help with your online business, like if you need help with your building your sales funnel or running ads for your business, or you want to get started with your business, if you be sure to schedule a free strategy call. First link in the description. And if you have any questions, if you want to connect with me personally, please leave me a comment or email me. I'll leave my email address in the description, and I'll see you on the next one, guys. Thank you.